My dear viewers, now discuss physical and chemical changes based on CBSE Class 7. Some true and false. A physical change is a temporary change that does not create a new substance and only affects the physical property of a substance. That is, physical property means color, state, smell, etc. It is also does not change the composition of the element, that is the composition of the substance. Okay, for example, folding of paper, dissolving sugar in water, melting eggs, etc. For the physical change, so the picture: melting ice, boiling water, that is steam, uh, breaking glass, coughing oats, folding paper, baking eggs. Some irreversible and some irreversible. Reversible physical change, that is melting of ice, boiling water, okay, folding paper. But irreversible in physical change, breaking glass, coughing oat, breaking egg. Okay, now a chemical change occur when the atom in a substance are rearranged into different combination. Okay, this process is known as chemical reaction, that is chemical change. For example, cooking sugar, digestion, respiration, burning, okay, etc. For the example of chemical change, show the picture: firework, that is the bombasting example of chemical change, flying egg, photosynthesis, that is the example of chemical change in plant, burning of oats, combustion, that is the combustion of propane, digestion. All the chemical change, irreversible change. Okay, now write T for true and F for false. Germination of seed is an example of a slow change. This statement true. Germination is not fast change. Okay, that is the other example: growing of baby, growing of human body, human animal, also the slow change. Cutting off tree is an artificial change. This change also the effect by human activity. This statement true. Cyclone occur periodically. This statement false. Cyclone occur inferiorically. That is the not periodically change. Okay, that is the irreversible change. Also, it is the chemical change. Okay, withering of leaves in a irreversible change. This statement true. Okay, next question. Burning of a matchstick is a first change. It is true. Okay, all changes in nature are reversible. It is absolutely wrong. Some change reversible, some change irreversible. Okay, next question. Question number 7. Occurrence of landslide is a periodic sense. Not, it is non-periodic sense. Okay, the statement false. Next question. In a physical change, in chemical properties of a substance change. Absolutely wrong. Physical change is not change of chemical property. Only for the physical property change, that is color, odors, smell, because wood also state of matter. Okay, next question. Question number 9. Sublimation is an example of a physical change. It is true. Next question. Rotting of vegetables is an example of a chemical change, also a desirable change, also irreversible change. This statement is true. Next question. Cutting down of tree is an artificial change, that is the created by the human activity. This change true. This is the statement is true. Next question. Germination of seed is a fast change. It is wrong. Next question. The products of also and desirable change are harmful and unpleasing. It is false. Okay. It is undesirable change. That is the question number 13. Statement is false. Next question. The changes in which there is release of heat energy are called exothermic change. It is true. Okay. Absorb the heat energy, endothermic change. So this statement is true. Create the temperature, that is the release the temperature, release the heat. Okay. This is the exothermic change. Okay. Next question. Question number 15. If the chemical properties of a substance remain unchanged but it is safe sense, it is a chemical change. It is wrong. Okay. It is a physical change. Okay. The new products formed in a chemical change show new properties. It is true. Okay. That is the change of the composition of the substance. So the chemical change, this statement is true. Next question. In physical changes, the energy change in minimal. This statement true. Question number 18. The process in which a solid gets converted into its liquid state when heated is known as boiling. This statement false. That is the melting. This statement is known melting but boiling. So this statement is wrong. That is false. Question number 19. The process of evaporation takes place at a temperature below the melting point of the liquid. It is false. Okay. This statement wrong. Okay. Next question, question number 20. The last question of this video. Change that repeat after a fixed interval of time are known as periodic change. It is true. This statement is right. Okay. My dear viewers, any query, please comment in box. To take the PDF form, also comment in box. Okay. Thank you, my dear viewers.